I guess here most of them get answer 136 for this problem in wrong order. Here 50 minus 2 power 4 is 16 times. Here 3 plus 1 in bracket. Here 50 minus 16 is 34 times 3 plus 1 in bracket. Here 34 times this 3 plus 1 is 4. Here 34 times this 4 is 136 is the wrong answer. As per this order of operation, this 136 is the wrong answer. Here we are going to introduce this PEMDAS rule from order of operation. This is a bracket higher priority. This is the exponent. M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Here multiplication, division both are equal priority. Also this addition, subtraction both are equal priority. For this equal priority, we are going to introduce this left to right in the problem. Now we are going to solve this problem in correct order by using this order of operations PEMDAS. Here as per this order of operations PEMDAS, the bracket is higher priority. So we have to do this bracket before this operation here. 50 minus 2 power 4 times, here bracket is 3 plus 1 is 4. The next priority is exponent. So we have to do this exponent before this multiplication and subtraction. So 50 minus this 2 power 4 is 16 times 4. Here we have subtraction and multiplication. Here multiplication is higher priority than this subtraction. So we have to do this multiplication before this subtraction. Here 50 minus this 16 times 4 is 64. Here 50 minus 64 is negative 14 is the correct answer.